Restoring vintage wedding gowns can be so rewarding. This beautiful 1970s dress has severe oxidation and perspiration stains. Bill begins with a thorough examination where he removes the metal hooks, turns the dress inside out, and applies wax to the zipper, which helps it to slide easier and adds a protective coating. Now, it's time for a sodium perborate bath. This stuff is incredible at removing oxidation stains, and it will be the perfect solution for this gown. As you can see, there are 2 dresses going in this bath, but luckily, our custom-built sinks have enough volume to hold both perfectly. The perborate is used up so fast that within a few minutes, we need to make another bath. Bill layers towels over the dresses to help keep them submerged while they soak overnight. The next day, you can truly see a huge difference in the color, and the dress looks incredible. But now, it's time to be wet cleaned on our hand wash cycle. Bill examines the dress and isn't happy with the color, so it goes back in for a 3rd bath. Starting on day 3, the color difference is mind-blowing, and this dress is white as snow. One more wet clean and it will finally be ready. Bill is finally happy with the results, and now the dress moves over to our drying cabinet for about 20 minutes. Just look at how bright and beautiful this dress is. And now, it's time to start the finishing process. Bill turns the dress inside out, cleans up the strings, and begins repairing the hanger loop. Next, he moves on to pressing the sleeves. Then, he begins pressing the bust. Finally, it's time to press the body of the dress. And after an hour and a half, it's finally finished. Just look at the before and after. The difference is night and day. The final step is the preservation box. Bill straightens out the dress and places acid-free tissue paper in between the folds to prevent hard wrinkles from forming over time. Next, he inserts the acid-free bust form. The final step is placing the box inside a muslin slip, which acts as a second layer of protection for the dress. And now, after days of careful restoration, this gown is finally preserved and protected for the future.